Hello GATE aspirants, welcome to part 5 of GATE General Aptitude series. Question 1. A student is required to demonstrate a high level of comprehension of the subject, especially in social sciences. The word closest in meaning to comprehension is, that is understanding. So here option A is correct. Question 2. Choose the most appropriate word from the options given below to complete the following sentence. One of his greatest dash was his ability to forgive. So here virtues means righteousness. So option B is correct. Question 3. Rajan was not happy that Sajan decided to do the project on his own. On observing his unhappiness, Sajan explained to Rajan that he preferred to work independently. Which one of the statements below is logically valid and can be inferred from the above sentences? Option A. Rajan has decided to work only in group. Rajan and Sajan were formed into a group against their wishes. Rajan decided to give in to Rajan's request to work with him. Rajan believed that Sajan and he would be working together. Since he is not happy that he is working alone, he must have assumed that he will be working with him. So option D is correct. Question 4. If y is equal to 5x square plus 3, then the tangent at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 is. So we have y is equal to 5x square plus 3. So dy by dx, that is slope of this line, will be 10x. And at x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3, this slope will be 0 only. That means this line is parallel to x-axis. So option C is correct. Question 5. A foundry has a fixed daily cost of rupees 50,000 whenever it operates and a variable cost of 800 Q, that is 800 into the quantity, where Q is the daily production in tons. What is the cost of production in rupees per tons for a daily production of 100 tons? So for 100 tons, this will be the cost price. And if we want to find the cost price per ton, then we have to divide this by 100. So let us divide it by 100. So we will get 500 plus 800, that is 1300 rupees. So this is the cost per ton for a daily production of 100 tons. Question 6. Find the odd one in the following group: A, L, R, V, X. Now if you point down the position corresponding to this letter, then it is 1, 12, 18, 22 and 24. I'll get this number after adding 11, then 6, then 4 and then 2. So this is for option A. Let us check it for all other options as well. Option B is E, P, B, Z, B. And the corresponding number is 5, 16, 22, 26 and then 2. So after adding we will get 16, after adding 6 we will get 22, likewise 4 and 2. So these two have same pattern. Similarly we can check for other options I, T, Z, D, F, for which we have 9, 20, 26, 4 and 6. These also follow this pattern 11, 6, 4 and 2. For the last option O, Y, E, I, K, the corresponding numbers are 15, 26. So this difference is 10. So obviously option D is the correct answer. Question 7. Anuj, Bhola, Chandan, Dilip, Ishwar and Faisal live on different floors in 6-stored building. The ground floor is numbered 1, the floor above is 2 and so on. Anuj lives on an even numbered floor. Anuj lives on even numbered floor. So this is correct. Bhola does not live on an odd numbered floor. This is also correct. Chandan does not live on any of the floors below Faisal's floor. So 4, 5, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So this is also fulfilled. Then Dilip does not live on a floor number 2. This is correct. Ishwar does not live on a floor immediately above or below Bhola. So there should be a difference of 2 or more than that for Ishwar and Bhola. So check here, we have 2 and 3. So this is not possible. 6 and 3 it is possible. 2, 1 is not possible. 4, 3 is not possible. So here option B is correct. Question 8. The smallest angle of a triangle is equal to 2/3 of the smallest angle of a quadrilateral. The ratio between the angles of quadrilateral is 3:4:5:6. The largest angle of triangle is twice the smallest angle. What is the sum of the second largest angle of triangle and the largest angle of quadrilateral? So if these are the angles of quadrilateral, then their sum should be equal to 360. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x will be equal to 360. From here we will get 18x is equal to 360, that means x is equal to 20. So the angles of quadrilateral are 60, 80, 100 and 120. Also it is given that smallest angle of triangle is equal to 2/3 of smallest angle of quadrilateral. So that means for triangle, angle is equal to 60 into 2/3, that is 40. And the largest angle of triangle is twice the smallest angle, means the other angle is 80. And we know addition of angles of triangle is 180. So if this is 80, 40, 120, then the third angle will be of 60 degree. What is the sum of the second largest angle of triangle and the largest angle of quadrilateral? So that will be equal to 120 plus 60, that is 180. Question 9. 1% of the people of country X are taller than 6 feet. 2% of the people of country Y are taller than 6 feet. There are thrice as many people in country X as in country Y. Taking both countries together, what is the percentage of people taller than 6 feet? Let us consider the people in Y be 100. So the total number of people in Y is 100, out of which 2% are taller than 6 feet. So 2% of this is 2. Then there are thrice as many people in X as in country Y. So if Y has 100 people, that means X has 300 people, and out of which 1% are taller than 6 feet. So that means 3. So total 5 people out of 400 people are taller than 6 feet. So if we calculate percentage of this, this will be 1.25%. So option D is correct. Question number 10. The monthly rainfall chart based on 50 years of rainfall in Agra is shown in the following figure. Which of the following are true? K percentile is the value such that K percent of the data follow below that value. Option A is on average it rains more in June than in December. Here average rain is greater than that in the December. So on average this is correct. Option B, every year the amount of rainfall in August is more than that in the January. We cannot say if this is the case for every year. This is the data for 50 years. So this is the average data. So B cannot be said surely. Option C, July rainfall can be estimated with better confidence than the February rainfall. Here dispersion is values is small as compared to February. So option C is correct. In August there is at least 500 mm of rainfall. We cannot say that for sure. So statement 1 and 3 is correct. So here option B is correct. These are the questions from GATE 2014 paper. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Keep learning.